Yeah, 11.
Okay, it's counting. Okay,
6, 7, 8.
okay, you're recording. Okay, to take it apart, if you need to take it, well, first off, these handles, you can move them in and out to adjust this thing. They'll go way out or all the way in. So they're out about 2 inches right now. These go up and down. Now to take this apart, go down with that, then you go to this handle, the handle that makes it swivel. You pull up on that handle, you lift this whole seat off.
Oh.
You set this down. Now, if you're putting this in a truck, so that's one part.
Oh my gosh.
The next part is this battery. So
That lifts off.
for the battery, you unscrew this thing that holds the battery down. You just pull it up and move it over. Now you just lift the battery right out. Here's
Okay.
the next part.
Okay.
So you're done with those two. Now, what you want to do is take this whole rear end off. With that, it's got a little handle here. You just pull it up, and you move this forward.
Oh my gosh.
And now you're done. Now that's the next part. This has handle and everything, and they're not heavy as individual. So now, the only thing you got to do now is unscrew this.
The basket.
Leave the basket on, or you can take it off. It'll lift right off. If you
Yeah.
want to take the basket off.
Okay.
Like that. So if you want to do that. Now,
Okay.
this thing's ready to go, and it's got a handle here and here. So you can lift the whole thing. And throw it in a
Oh.
truck. It's got handles on both ends.
Wow, that would go right in the trunk.
Right. Then, now, go ahead and press that red button and stop the video, because I'll do 2 of them.
The red button.